In just about a week, the national COVID-19 public health emergency will end. And with it, all those programs used to combat the disease for the last 3 years.
Right. Our latest, or newest reporter, I should say, Anaya Spraggs, is joining us outside the Mobile County Health Department. Anaya, talk about the specific services that might be affected.
Well, Anise and Byron, the main things impacted will be access to free testing and vaccines, and some people may lose access to Medicaid coverage.
With COVID cases decreasing across the nation, the Biden administration will declare an end to the nation's public health emergency on May 11th. The public health emergency was put in place in 2020 to alleviate some costs for Americans.
It doesn't mean that COVID stops happening and goes away. We're just going to, we're going to have to move on to business as usual.
Data reporting, access to free tests and free vaccines, and Medicaid coverage are three main areas that will be impacted.
Some of CDC's data may become less reliable because of data not being reported to CDC from certain states.
Alabama, however, will be one of the few that will continue reporting positive cases to the CDC. One health expert adds vaccines will be free until they run out or the vaccine expires.
Eventually, probably later this year, the vaccine will go into the private market, meaning that that when you go and get a vaccine, you'll pay a copay.
But vaccine requirements will change.
We're going to the bivalent vaccine, and the recommendations are anybody that is 5 years or older get one dose of the bivalent vaccine, and they're good for the rest of their life.
Tests will also still be free until a certain point, at which some people may begin paying a copay to get tested. The final and most important area that will be impacted, Medicaid, with some now at risk of losing coverage. During the pandemic, Medicaid was required to keep people enrolled. With the requirement now out the window with the end of this public health emergency, people will have to apply for coverage again.
And the Mobile County Health Department adds they will continue providing tests and vaccines at the Southwest Public Health Clinic and Festival Center until they run out of supplies, which could happen as soon as this summer. Back to y'all.